Hello everyone, today I will show you how to convert PDF to Google spreadsheet using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. We cannot directly convert PDF to Google spreadsheet. First we have to convert PDF to Excel. Now we will convert PDF to Excel. Now click this export option. I will find this spreadsheet. Click here and now click export. Select a folder name. Desktop. Save. Now go to your Chrome browser or other browser and type here Google Docs.google.spreadsheet. Firstly, you have to log in your Gmail account. Now enter. Yes. And click this file option. Open file. And select here upload file. And browse. These are Excel file. Now click open. Yeah, this is our PDF file already converted to Google spreadsheet file. This is. Yeah. Now you can edit this file. Also click this file option. You can share this file, email, or you can download Microsoft Excel, PDF, another option. Yeah, this is. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share, and comments.